Hello students, welcome back. Hopefully you have given a try, and if you are being able to do this, then congratulations, good. And if not, then watch this video. So the task was here I need to do the entry with the help of input box. So first of all, I'm considering that that particular sheet has been selected already, and the first thing that I'm going to do is range b1 dot and Excel down. Okay, I'm telling you what I have done till now. I've reached to b1 cell, then control and down arrow key, that is what end Excel down do, end Excel down. So up till the level I will reach where the data has been filled. After that I need to go just one step downwards. So I'm going to use the offset command after this. Offset, row offset 1 and column offset 0 dot value, and that value is going to be the name. Now this is the method I'm going to use. If I'm going to play button, and you can see name is there, but I need to take the input from the user for that. So I'm creating the input box first of all. So I'm giving one variable name uname, and then input box type name. Then I need to create another input box. So I'm just doing the copy paste. Here I'm changing the age and salary is required, so I'm giving age, type age, and here it's salary, so I'm giving salary. So in B1 it's going to be uname, means this particular whatever user is going to type in the input box, that's going to be stored in uname, and that is what I want over here. Okay, the rest of the thing I'm going to just do the copy paste. Here in place of B1, this is C and this is D, so I'm making it C1, and here I'm going to make it D1. In place of uname it's going to be age, and in place of uname once again here is going to be salary. It will work absolutely fine, but what about the serial numbers which will generate automatically? So in order to do that, I'm considering A1 cell again. The A1 cell and Excel down means this particular cell reference. Then again I need to go downwards, one step downwards, then offset row wise 1 means this particular cell, column wise 0. This means this particular cell. So what is going to be the value in this particular cell? Here I'm going to make use of range command once again, range, then I'm going to type A1 dot and Excel down dot value is whatever is going to be the value of this plus 1. You can understand what I'm going to do. Here it's A1 and Excel down, whatever is going to be the value of this particular cell plus 1, so this will become 2. So this is the time to check it, so I'm going to run this program. So type name I have given, let's say Manchu, then age I have given 32, and then salary I am giving 26,000. So here you can see the entry has been made. We can check it once again. Okay, so name I have given Ravi, age let's say 24, and salary 15,000, and the entry has been made. So this is how you need to make use of all the methods, functions of cell properties, and you can do a small bit of things, because till now we are not aware of many other methods and functions. But do practice this, because in the next video we are going to jump into the into some the sheet properties actually, which is different from cell of course. And do practice. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.